Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the left side of your screen, go to the project that you like, then hover your mouse, then you can see folder setting option. Click on it. Then you can see templates option. Click on templates, then you can browse your template or just click to save as template. Then your template will be created. This is how you can create template in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.